Here, we're given information that will allow us to find out how much a rental store charges for this chainsaw. So first off, they give you a flat fee and then a variable fee. So the cost is going to be the flat fee plus the variable fee. Now the flat fee doesn't depend on anything. It's just you get charged that no matter what. And in this case, we're told that's $9. But then the variable fee depends on how much you use it. So we're told that it's $4 for each day. So let's call this for X, because X is going to be the number of days that we use it. Well, so that means that I could say the cost is going to be $9 plus $4 for every day.